Python sets. Sets are an ordered collection of data items. They store multiple items in a single variable. Set items are separated by commas and enclosed within curly brackets. Sets are unchangeable, meaning you cannot change items of the set once created. Sets do not contain duplicate items. Example: info is equal to Carla, 19, false, 5.9, 19. Print info. Output: false, 19, 5.9, Carla. Here we see that the items of set occur in random order and hence they cannot be accessed using index numbers. Also, sets do not allow duplicate values. Accessing set items. Using a for loop. You can access items of set using a for loop. Example: info is equal to Carla, 19, false, 5.9. For item in info. Print item. Output: false. Carla, 19, 5.9.